Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to track lost iPhone location by phone number. For example, if you have lost an iPhone and if you want to track the lost iPhone location just by phone number, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to simply go to general. So here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network settings, and after resetting all of your network settings you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply search for a location and privacy, which means you have to look for privacy and security, where you have to simply turn on the location services for some apps like Find My app, and you have to provide the location services to home and all the details you have to provide. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that that iPhone is connected with the Find My, and have turned on the location services on that iPhone as well. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and after that, here what you have to do, you have to simply open the Find My on the iCloud.com. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the Apple iCloud.com, and here you have to simply search for Find, and after that you have to simply provide the details of your Apple ID, and you have to log in into Apple ID, and after that you can simply also put your phone number, and you can simply select the device you are looking for the location. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply check the location, and the next thing you can do is you can also use Find My location sharing. So here what you have to do, you have to simply open Find My, and you have to locate the people tab, where you can simply find your location from the locate people tab. And after that, if your recent location was shared to you on Share My Location, then you can simply check the location of that iPhone, and after that you can simply check your location is showing or not. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.